accused, and it's the accused person to respond. I'm sure you interacted with the accused person and you may have agreed with the position, but the court has to hear from the accused. And the plea by law is supposed to be recorded in the words of the accused person. Mr. Semfuko, do you understand the charges read to you? Did you understand the charges read to you? Would you want us to read for you the charges again? Okay, maybe my voice is not clear. Please read for you the first count.
So it's alleged that you, Semfuko Ismail, alias Dr. Kepkon, and others still at large in the months of March, April, May 2022 in Kampala district willfully and repeatedly used electronic communication to post messages offensive in nature via TikTok, transmitted over the internet with intent to disturb the peace, quiet, or right of privacy of Nakan Judy, Jennifer, alias full figure with no purpose or legitimate communication.
Have you understood the charges?
Yes.
How do you agree? Is it true if you commit the offense or not? I haven't heard you.
It is not.
A plea of not guilty is hereby entered in respect to count one. This proceeding counts to.
Count 2, you're charged with cyber harassment contrary to section 24, 1A of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011. It is alleged that you said Fuko, Ismail, alias Dr. Cape Coach, and others still at large in the months of March, April, and May 2022 in Kampala district or thereabout used the computer to post on TikTok wherein he made a suggestion or proposal referring to Nakam Jubi, Jennifer, alias full figure, as among others, but fact you in every part of your body and ejaculated in your nose, your anus emits every bad gases, breasts are similar to sacks of feces, which side
Guilty as the media interpreted. We are members of the council. Let them attend. So the number is for free, right? So I'm aware state is not represented, but court has the duty to explain to you the charges that have been preferred against you. You have been brought here under the name Semfuko Ismail alias Dr. Chepcho, alias I am Chepcho, a male adult age 22, Bufumbira by Fry, the businessman and resident of Chengere and Wakiso district. You are charged with 2 counts. Count 1 is offensive communication according to section 25 of the Computer Misuse Act. It's alleged that you, Semfuko Ismail alias Dr. Chepcho, alias I am Chepcho, and others staying at large in the months of March, April, and May 2022 in the Kampala district. You willfully and repeatedly used electronic means to post messages offensive in nature, that is via TikTok, transmitted over the internet with intent to disturb the peace, quiet, or right of the privacy of Nakambubi Jennifer, alias full figure, with no purpose of legitimate, with no purpose Have you understood the charges?
Objection, my lord. Sorry, Your Honor. I think counsel, unless counsel has to take the stand and answer the charges on behalf of the accused person. Otherwise, Your Worship, counsel has no business standing up. The charges are being read the accused person who understands English and is able to answer the question for himself.
Thank you, counsel. Let's not have drama here, counsel. These are simple, basic legal procedural steps. The charges are read to the accused.